Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some curry steamed fish. Yeah, so these are all of my seasoning. I have curry powder, I have all-purpose seasoning, I have black pepper, I have onion powder, I have garlic powder, I have Cajun seasoning, and I also have seasoned salt, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay. So first guys, I'm gonna add some olive oil to my fish so it is nice and moist. So make sure you take your hand and you want to rub all that oil all over on your fish so the seasoning will stick on your fish, okay? So now I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together so everything will all combined. So now I'm gonna season my fish. So as you can see, I take some of my seasoning and I'm sprinkling it all on my fish. Make sure you flip it over and you season that part also. And guys, I'm gonna leave back some of my seasoning for my gravy. So leave back a bit, okay? Make sure you season on the inside of your fish also because you want your fish to be nice and full of flavor. So make sure you season it properly. So because I'm making curry fish, so for this part, I'm gonna add some curry seasoning. I'm adding 1 spoonful, yeah? So when you add it, you just wanna make sure you take your hands and you're just gonna massage all that curry powder right on your fish, yeah? Just like how I'm doing it, okay? And guys, remember if you want to use a gloves, you can always use a gloves, okay? I am used to using my bare hands, so that's why I do it this way because it's something that I've been doing for years. So my fish is all seasoning and that's what it look like. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some fresh thyme to my fish. And guys, you can always leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour or even overnight for a better result, okay? Or you can just cook it as it is. It's still gonna be delicious. So these are all of my herbs. Here I have half of bell peppers, as you can see all the colors. I have 10 okra, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of pimento seed, just a tiny bit of scotch bonnet pepper, some spring onions, and 3 cloves of garlic. Okay? So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 spoonfuls of vegetable oil, and as you can see I'm adding at least 1 spoon of curry powder. So guys, to this part, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna allow your curry powder to brown for at least 2 minutes, okay? Just make sure your stove is on a medium heat. So please do not turn up your stove because you don't want your curry powder to burn too much. So I'm gonna add some of my garlic to my pot so all the flavor from the garlic will get right into my oil. Because this part, guys, I'm just building flavor for my fish, okay? Then you want to give it a stir. So for this part, I'm gonna add my onions, my spring onions, my tomato, and my bell peppers. And I'm also gonna add some of my scotch bonnet pepper. But I'm not gonna add all of my herbs, guys, okay? I'm just gonna add some of it, okay? So stay tuned. Then you wanna give it a stir. So I'm just gonna allow my herbs to saute for at least 1 minute, okay? So after 1 minute, that's what it look like. So now I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water to my pot, okay? Then I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left, okay? So now I'm adding my remaining seasoning, and after you add it, guys, you just wanna stir it, okay? I'm gonna add at least 1 spoon of curry powder, and after I add it I'm just gonna stir it so everything will all combine. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so pretty and so good already. You can allow it to come to a boil, then you can add your fish, okay? So after you add all of your fish, now you're just gonna take all that delicious liquid and you're just gonna pour it all on your fish. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so yummy. Then you're just gonna allow your fish to cook for at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, that's what my fish look like. So now guys, I'm gonna add my remaining herbs, and I'm also gonna add my okra and my pimento seed. Guys, I'm telling you, it's looking absolutely delicious. It smells so good. I just love all the colors, guys. I mean, look at it. It look amazing. So I'm gonna also add some fresh thyme to my pot, and I'm gonna also add some butter. I'm gonna add at least 1 spoon of butter. And guys, I'm just gonna allow my fish to simmer down for at least 5 minutes. Make sure you cover your pot, okay? So now I'm adding my butter, and guys, remember to put your stove on a medium heat, okay? As you can see, I'm taking my spoon and I'm just making sure that my butter is all melt and just pour it all on my fish, yeah? So my curry steamed fish is all finished, guys, and that's what it look like. Guys, I'm telling you, it is perfect. This recipe is a must try. Please give me a big thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And guys, share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. I mean, just look at that. Just take a good look. The gravy is amazing. It's absolutely delicious. So now I'm just plating up my fish, and guys, I'm gonna serve it with some plain rice, of course, and with some carrot and with some broccoli, okay? So that's what my fish look like on the plate with my rice and my broccoli and my carrot. Guys, I'm telling you, right now I'm gonna taste some and it tastes amazing. All the flavor is just absolutely delicious. This recipe, guys, is a must try. The fish is so moist. It's just so good. Honestly, I cannot explain how delicious it is. I really enjoy my dinner. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Keep laughing and keep smiling. Okay? No matter what.